get a server invite link in Roblox. So right here, what we want to do is we want to Google search for RoPro. This is a very popular extension, so just click on this first link and we want to get this extension here. So click on add to Chrome. After we have added RoPro, it's very popular, like I said, and safe. We want to refresh the page, and here it will require some verification. But basically, if you need any help, you can Google search for verified RoPro on my YouTube channel. I have a tutorial on this as well. So for example here, if I want to get a server link for this game, I'll just click on it. And then we'll go to the servers tab. Now from the servers tab, if we scroll down, you will see this last played. So this is going to be a server that we played on. So if we want to get an invite link for this specific server, we'll just click on invite. And this is going to be the server invite link. So if we copy this, we can send this to our friends. And if they have RoPro as well, they can join the specific server that we're playing on. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.